our, and it's a pleasure to welcome Miss Nandini Uchil, who is our Director Admissions, and she has just joined us a couple of weeks ago. She has with her about 30 years of experience, out of which about close to 2 decades of experience only in the higher education. She has worked extensively with OP Jindal and in the UAE. And now I will let Nandini take over. Over to you, Nandini.
Thank you, Neha. Well, it's a pleasure to be here. Good morning, Daksha Fellows, guests, faculty, and staff. I moved to Sai University in Chennai less than a month ago, and I'm very happy to be here as a part of the pioneering team, and I'm sure we will all work together to do great things for Sai University. On behalf of the university, I'm pleased to welcome you to this much awaited event, the Daksha Fellowship Orientation Week. It would have been a pleasure to meet you all in person, but well, we cannot do it right now, but till then, let's continue meeting this way. The team has worked hard in trying times to put together a robust program, as you can see from the schedule. I'm sure you've all received a copy of the schedule. The week-long orientation is the formal commencement to your study here. This program will keep you engaged. It's meant to challenge you, provide you with lots of learning and knowledge, will help you to get to know each other and to get to know us, and also you will have some fun. You must have seen that from the schedule. Today, you will get to interact with our Chancellor, Mr. K.V. Ramani, and Vice Chancellor, Dr. Jamshed Barucha. There will also be a talk on rule of law by Dr. Madhav Khosla, who's a visiting faculty. So there are going to be packed days ahead, and I'm sure you'll make the most of them. I have put together some statistics about your cohort. So here goes. It seems to be quite a healthy mix when it comes to gender. 58% of you are male fellows and 42 are female. And I hope the gap will reduce and things will even out, the next cohort and, further batches that come in. When it comes to age, most of you are in your 20s. Just about 4% of the fellows are over the age of 30. Well, it's a small number, but I'm sure this 4% will provide a lot of practical tips and also will enliven your discussions based on their experiences. Well, experience does count, and it comes from from a person who's much, much older than you all. And here's my favorite part, which is the region. I've always batted for cultural and regional diversity. Generally when we meet parents of undergraduate students, potential students, they always ask about, where students come from, whether there's a good mix of students. So here in the Daksha Fellowship Program, we have representation from 14 states. And I think that's a big deal for a first cohort. And I hope we get fellows from the far corners of the country as we go along, and also students, for our other programs. At the application stage, the number from the northern states was high. But when it has come to enrollments, there are more from the south. Well, I guess no surprises there because of the location. Well, careers. So what do most of you aspire for after this program? Well, legal practice seems to be a hot favorite. And many of you want to work for international organizations and the corporate sector. So I hope all your dreams come true by the end of this program. When it comes to work experience, a little less than half of you are freshers. The rest of you have some work experience. And the freshers have over 5 internships. So we cannot say that you have no work experience at all. And publications. About 60% of you have published at least one paper. And almost half of you have 2 or more published papers. That's a good start, and I hope you go on to do more research and publish more papers. And numbers show that most of you are enthusiastic about extra and co-curricular activities. Keep that interest going to ensure that you lead a balanced life. I've always believed that you need to maintain a good, healthy work-life balance. So work hard and have fun. So much for statistics. Coming back to you, the first quote of Daksha Fellows. You are special. You have worked hard to get here. Know that from close to 100 interested in the fellowship, to about a third of them completing the application, to half of those clearing DFAT and attending the interview, and to just about 2/3 of them making the cut and receiving an offer, you are the chosen one. You have made it thus far and you're here today. And I'm sure it's been a challenging journey for you all. And each of you have a story to say about your journey. Well, I certainly look forward to hearing from you all. So yes, you are special. At the same time, keep in mind that you're a privileged few. And why do I say privileged? You've been awarded a full scholarship to study here. And this 1 year will give you opportunities to grow, to evolve, to acquire knowledge, and also to become specialists and much more. Use this privilege wisely, make the best use of the opportunities that come your way, participate actively, not just attend, participate, engage with your professors and mentors, and you will certainly reap the fruits of these efforts. And I'm sure you will give back to Daksha and SAR University someday soon. And as an admissions person, I will always wait for that. And I would like you to be part of, our team of brand ambassadors. You can take us out there to help and, bring people here. You can put in a good word for us, and that will take us far. So I wait to, collaborate with you all and take this forward. And I leave you with that thought. Welcome again and wish you a great orientation week and year ahead.